Before you start to see this video, like and subscribe. Now I'll tell the settings which you need to set step by step. First, focal length. It should be set at maximum, that is infinity, to capture stars. Second, ISO, commonly called as grains, should be set between 50 and 200. Although it gives higher exposure at higher rate, it gives the same amount of grains. Third, shutter speed. It should be set at minimum 30 seconds to get a detailed image. And at last, the fourth setting is white balance, should be set in auto as we need some expertise in it. Next, we'll see these things separately in detail. First setting, the focal length. First of all, focal length is a unit which is commonly used to focus different objects at different distances in mobile and camera lens with a measurement. In our case, in astrophotography, the objects we shoot are located at a massive distance. So our focal length should be at its maximum, that is infinity. Next up is ISO, which is commonly called as grains, controls the camera sensitivity to light. The higher it is, the higher the grains and the exposure will be. In our case, almost every time we shoot at night, which causes more grains and makes it a bit more complicated. So keeping the ISO level loose will avoid grain in our photo, that is 50 to 200. Next up is shutter speed, which is an important setting in all these. Shutter speed is the time in which the camera shoots the sky. The longer the time, the more the exposure and details will be given in the resulting image. So, minimum of 30 seconds is needed to get a detailed image of the sky. And the last one is the white balance setting. It's an option which is mostly left as it is. It processes the light it receives. For example, it processes any color such as white or black or yellow regardless of its temperature.